Hey foodies! Today I'm gonna show you how to cook perfect chicken biryani every time. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive right into it. First, marinate your chicken. In a bowl, add yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, and some salt. Mix it up, coat the chicken, and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This is where all the magic begins. Next, we move on to the rice. Wash basmati rice until the water runs clear, then soak it for 30 minutes. Boil water in a large pot with whole spices like cardamom, cloves, and bay leaves. Add the rice and cook it until it's 70% done. Drain and set aside. Now, let's cook the chicken. In a large pan, heat some oil and fry sliced onions until golden brown. Remove half for later. Add your marinated chicken and cook until it's almost done. The aroma at this point will be irresistible. Time to layer up. In a heavy-bottomed pot, layer half the par-cooked rice, followed by the chicken, and then the remaining rice. Top with fried onions, fresh cilantro, and mint leaves. Sprinkle a pinch of saffron soaked in milk for that royal touch. Cover the pot with a tight lid and cook on low heat for 20-25 minutes. This steam cooking is what makes biryani so special. And voila! Your perfect chicken biryani is ready to be devoured. Fluffy rice, juicy chicken, and an explosion of flavors in every bite. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Happy cooking!